Hey guys, welcome back to Alley PPC Academy. As most of you already know, my name is Luca and I'm part of the communications team here at Alley. Today, I'll be talking about auto and manual campaigns, what are their main differences and how we can utilize them in order to achieve the best possible results. Of course, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comment section down below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as we got new episodes coming out every week. Also, follow us on all social media so you never miss any news from Alley PPC. Let's start. So what are auto campaigns? Auto campaigns are, as the name already says, automatic campaigns where you just choose the product that should be advertised and everything else is done automatically. Auto campaigns are great for researching new search terms, new competitors, or new products that are either complements or substitutes to your own product, and so on. So these campaigns are profitable most of the time, as the spend and ACOS are fairly easy to control. So basically, if we have a keyword that's in broad or phrase match type, this will allow us to collect search terms that we can negate, and in that way, we can control our spend. So manual campaigns are much better because we can optimize them in more detail. We can add as many ad groups as we like, as many keywords as we like, and we can control everything much easier. We can control each bid on each keyword, and this helps us control our spend and our ACOS. Same as for auto campaigns, we can use keywords that are in broad and phrase match type, and this will help us collect the search terms that we can negate and control our spend and ACOS that way as well. So we love to start with auto campaigns as they're great for collecting the data while we do our own research as well. And after that, we can use that specific data in our manual campaigns. We never shut auto campaigns off as they're always bringing us new data, new search terms, new competitors, and they can also bring some sales as well. But our focus shifts on manual campaigns as we can be more narrow and more specific with our targeting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as we got new episodes coming out every week. Also, leave your questions in the comment section down below and follow us on all social media so you never miss any news from Sellers Alley. Take care.